You keep buying clothes, but your outfits still look thrown together. The fix isn't more clothes, it's a styling trick called sandwich dressing, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. Step 1. Pick your bread. Choose 2 matching or closely related pieces to bookend your outfit, like your shoes and your hat, or your shoes and your bag. This repetition is what tricks the eye into seeing a finished look instead of random pieces. Step 2. Build your filling. This is the loud statement piece in the middle. A bold print top, a bright jacket, a patterned dress. Let this one item carry all the personality so nothing else has to compete with it. Step 3. Balance the proportions. If your filling piece is loose or oversized, keep your bread pieces slim and fitted. If the middle is fitted and simple, your shoes or bag can be chunkier. One loose layer, one fitted layer every time. Step 4. Pull one color from the filling into your bread. If your statement piece has a thread of mustard yellow, echo that same yellow in a belt or your shoes. That single repeated color is what makes the whole sandwich feel intentional. Pro tip: the biggest mistake is making all 3 sections loud at once. Bold shoes, bold top, and bold bag will always look chaotic. Keep 2 sections quiet and let only one shout. What's your go-to color to repeat? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.